Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to all of my lovely friends and family. I hope you are all keeping safe and doing great. Welcome to IWHAT Eating Kitchen. Today, Allaah Ta'ala, I'm going to be showing you how to make this simple mackerel stew. It's fast and easy, and it can be used for Ramadan. These are the ingredients that I'm using in today's cooking. 1 tin of tomato chop, 1 medium onion, 6 hot pepper, and 1 large bell pepper, 2 mackerel. I use 6 hot pepper because the hot pepper is not hot. So if you're using a very hot pepper, 1 is enough for this recipe. Add 200 ml of water to blend the pepper with. The pepper is smoothly blended, so you transfer it to the pan. Let it boil for 30 minutes on full heat. The spice I'm adding is a little bit of crayfish jumbo, ginger powder, teaspoon, little bit of minced herb, half teaspoon of curry powder, and half teaspoon of garlic powder. After 30 minutes, you add your fish. Steam on a low heat for 5 minutes. Alhamdulillah, the stew was finished cooking. Jazakumullah khairan for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, kindly support your sister. Share, like, comment, and subscribe. I leave you in the care of Allah Subhannahu Wata Ala. Stay blessed and safe. Lot of love. IWHAT.